Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Mathematics Point, where we learn mathematics in a very simple and easy manner. So, today we are going to start a new topic, which is surds. So, in this video, we'll quickly understand what a surd is in a very simple terms. And in the following videos, we'll start to play around with surds more. So, let's get started. So, mathematically speaking, surds are those square roots which are not perfect squares. So, for example, if I say square root of 2 is not a perfect square, it is 1.41 something up till infinite decimal places. Whereas square root of 4 is 2. Why? Because the square of 2 is a 4, so square root of 4 is a 2. So, in this scenario, square root of 4 is not a surd, whereas square root of 2 is a surd because it is not a perfect square. Let's take one more way of understanding what surds are. Now, surds are also called irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Now, what does rational, irrational means? So, the word rational comes from ratio. Anything that can be converted in a ratio. So, for example, here, this 2 can be written as 2/1. So, basically, square root of 4 can be represented in a fractional form or in a ratio form, which is 2/1. And that is why it is not a surd and it is a rational number. Now, let's quickly look at the square root of 2. Now, square root of 2, if I go into the calculator here and I say, okay, give me the square root of square root of 2, I get 1.414 up till infinite decimal places. So, if I were to convert this into a fraction, I cannot put a denominator to it because you've got infinite decimal places in the denominator, and hence your denominator is infinity. And hence, this surd cannot be represented in a rational form or a ratio form, and that is why it is called irrational numbers. I hope I was able to make sense today out of surds, and if so, follow me for more. Thanks for watching.